to create some fun little, I don't know, detail to the stem, we're gonna make it spirally. So grab a pencil or a cell stick, a dowel, whatever you choose. Take the looped end and you're gonna secure it in place with your thumb. And then just start to twist the wire. But to add further character, you wanna like go down and then up and around. And then you'll see, you slide that off and it's a little more fun than just a straight spiral. So to secure it into our little cherry, you gotta make sure you leave a small little end. I don't know if you can see that. Small little end that we're going to insert into the cherry. I'm just gonna take a little bit of water, piping gel, gum glue, whatever you have. I'm gonna angle this a little bit different. More straight up and down. And then I'm just going to insert that into the well of the cherry. Boop. And there you go. You have a cute little stemmed cherry. You're going to require 2 of these for the cake. So let's move on to the sprinkles that will adorn our lovely ice cream sundae. I've already got a few assorted colors made up. I'll demonstrate with some white how to create your own little jimmies. They're super cute and very easy to make. So just a little bit of white gum paste. Just break off a very small little piece. And I like to do this in the palm of my hand. I roll a ball and then I begin to roll back and forth, but very gently. If you roll too hard, you'll create like a dip in your sprinkle, and you actually want it to be nice and even straight across. So I very gently rock it back and forth, creating a little sausage shape. And that's how you make those little sprinkles. You can curve them if you'd like, but I typically like to leave them straight. Just pop that aside. I made 5, well, I'm lying. I probably made a couple more than 5 of each color. I like to go overboard, but I'll demonstrate one more for the camera. You'll probably only need, like, realistically, like no more than 10 sprinkles, but I probably got like 30 sprinkles sitting there. I don't know why, but I do. I just love to make too much. But they always come in handy at a later date. You just pop them aside in a little like Ziploc bag or something, and hey, they're there for some other cake order that you got later down the line. There you go. Don't make them too big either. Like, you don't want them like huge, like little hot dogs, Vienna sausages sitting on top of our sundae. That wouldn't look right. I actually think that one's a little too large. So modify as you go. Okay, that's better. There you go. So like I said, you probably only need 10 sprinkles, but I went crazy. Here, I'll even show you. Look at how many sprinkles I got here. Like, that's way too many. Because the sprinkles really only go on top of 1 scoop of the ice cream. But, yeah, that's just me. So we've got our cherries done. We've got our spoon done. Sprinkles. What else? We've got a corn dog.